Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. I'm opening up 2 mega boxes of Prizm basketball. Let's see what we get here. It was pretty difficult to get these. Had to beat out the bots on Target. But since they started doing the red cards deals, it's been a little bit easier. We know how crazy it's been to get cards this year, especially in retail format, and everyone reselling it for God knows how high. All right, well, hopefully I get some good. Glad I didn't have to pay $2,000 for this box. So let's see what we get. Good luck. All right, Gary Harris, Graham, White, Milton. Okay, here's our reds. We got Hero. That looks cool. Oh, we got Grant. Of course, we're looking for Melo here. Here's our silver Aldridge. It's cool. Zeke. Wendell Carter. And Tobin. First Tobin. Nice. Okay. Here's our all-time great Duncan. We got Clay. Valanciunas. Crowder couldn't seal the deal. Here we go. Ooh, nice tray out. Looks nice with the Hawks colors. We got a rookie. Nico. Very nice. Oh, silver rookie. Zeke. So, doing pretty good on rookies here. Avery Bradley. Definitely not on the Lakers anymore. And Achua. So that was pretty good. That was a good pack. Trae Young's nice. It's a nice Trae Young. Okay. There we go. Get a lot of parallels in this for a good price. There's Gallinari. Clippers should have kept him. Another Aldridge. Karis LeVert. Oh, New Orleans. Oh, Zion. All right. So again, some of the good young players. That's nice. Zach Collins. Don't even know who this guy is. Oh well. It's a silver. Hey, it's LeBron. NBA champion LeBron. Another rookie. Oh, not LaMelo. So that was a pretty good pack. Not too bad. Once again, at retail prices, it's a fun break. Gonna have some rookie cards. So you definitely get a good amount of base, and these red cracked ices are nice. Allen Iverson. Don't have that yet. It's a good one. Hardaway. It's veteran pack. Marquise. CJ. Where's he going to play next year? Shooter. Where's he going to play next year? Probably not the Lakers. Ooh, Kevin Porter. Comes our silver. Oh. PJ. Haven't seen this insert set. It's kind of interesting. Harry Giles and Denny. So he's got some rookies. A rookie or two there. Still looking for LaMelo. We did get one LeBron. The one with him dunking is sweet. Okay. Here we go. Jeff Teague. Montrezl Harrell. Probably won't be a Laker next year. Who's that guy? Whiteside. Rookie. Clipper rookie. Mo Bamba. Mo, get it together, Bamba. Jay Crowder. 2 finals in a row. No wins. LaMelo. Instant impact. It's true. Team is fun to watch now. Westbrook. He could be a Laker. And Marcus Gasol, former Laker. Well, that was a good pack. Got LaMelo. That's nice. Last pack of the first box. Once again, nice to get this at retail price. The bot problem is pretty bad. But what can you do? It's a new world. Mark it in. Here's Lillard. Interesting to see where he plays. I'd like him to stay in Portland. Bullock. Drummond. Maybe the Lakers keep him. We got MVP. Nice MVP card. Sadiq Bey. Double Drummond. So definitely a lot of good rookies in here. Got a LaMelo. Got to insert LaMelo. Got some decent red ice. Second box. Okay. Well, first box pretty good. LaMelo and some good bets. Good bets. So a lot of other base rookies. Guys, not Pascal. John Collins. Snell. See what we get. Maxey. Got this guy a bunch. Katie. Back to the veterans. It's pretty nice. Oh, Grant. Wrong Hornet. Wrong Hornet. Maxie keeps following me around. RJ. It's a little sophomore set. Ramsey. Gordon Ramsay. Bobby Portis. All right. Well, we got the KD. I have a good feeling he might win next year. They just need a few good bench players. Just fill out that roster and they're set. Okay. George Hill. Too bad he's not a Buck anymore, huh? Okay. McDermott. Jared Allen with really bad print line. Yikes. Whoa. Yikes. All right. Whatever. Beasley. Good old Brandon Ingram. All-Star. Simmons. Nice. So I'm getting all the vets. Getting all the vets. Killing Hayes. LaMelo. So this was a good box. Another good box. That looks pretty well centered. That looks pretty good. Usually tall on the back a little bit. Damn. Nice. All right. Always feel good pulling a LaMelo. Damn. All right. John Wall. Paul George. Oh, nice. John Morant. Don't have this one yet. Marvin Bagley. Here come our colors. Ooh, red. Come on. Oh. Kyle. That looks cool in red. That looks really nice in red. Patty. Really good player. Hope he does good for Australia. Kawhi. Staying with the Clippers. James Johnson. Carroll. All right. Oh, that little Melo's nice. Well centered. No crazy print lines. I mean, you're just happy to get well centered cards from this set. So many really bad centered cards. Oh, nice. Nice. This is such a nice card. Look at that. LeBron James. Slam dunk. So this is a nice box. Very nice box. Oh, and his teammate, Caruso. They're doing pretty good together. Korkmaz. JJ. Really good player. Okay, here we go. James Johnson. Jaren Jackson Jr. He's a pretty good player. Another Chris Paul. Oh. Hey, maybe next year, Chris. Hall of Famer for sure. Wiseman. So that's nice. Getting a lot of the good inserts. Rubio. Josh Green. Alright, well, this box is awesome. Got two of the best base cards. You know, pretty good. Put LeBron there. Prizm's always a nice set. Always has been. Kind of the Topps Chrome replacement. Hard these boxes are so expensive. It's so hard to get the retail ones. Happy when you do. Here's Joel Embiid. Would have been MVP if he didn't get hurt. Conley. More rookies. Theo. Wesley. Robert Covington. Tatum. Just getting better and better. Derrick Rose. Hall of Famer. Patrick Williams. Alright. Not bad. Still very happy with the LaMelo and the LeBron. Both well centered. Both well centered. Last pack. Last pack magic. Let's go, guys. Pal. Otto Porter. Come on, guys. Here we go. MVP. Here come our last parallels. Buddy Hield. Brian Forbes. Another Steven Adams. Ooh, Silver Halliburton. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed.